Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Redmi has enough battery and a Wi-Fi connection so changes download smoothly. Open Settings and go straight to lock screen or always on display. MIUI versions vary, so look for either label. Once there, tap the clock style or lock screen customization entry to enter editor mode. Make a quick backup or screenshot of the current lock screen so you can revert if needed. Now you're ready to select or edit the clock widget and font options. Next, pick clock style or widgets in the editor to view available clock presets. This is where the font lives. Tap any clock to open Edit, then choose font, size, color, or weight as provided. Use the preview to see the lock screen with the new font. Make sure contrast and size remain readable against your wallpaper. If MIUI limits fonts, pick a clock that supports custom fonts or use Themes app to install a compatible clock pack. Save when the preview looks right. Finally, tap Save or Apply to commit the new clock font and exit the editor. Lock the phone to verify the change on the actual lock screen. If the font didn't change, reopen the editor and reapply, then reboot the device. MIUI often needs a restart to refresh widgets. If problems persist, open Themes right arrow My Page and reapply the theme or clear cache for themes and settings. This usually resolves conflicts caused by cached assets or theme overrides.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.